So today we'll be making one of the most popular breakfast dishes in the world, the scrambled eggs. First, I'll be making the English version of the scrambled egg, then I'll be making the French version of the scrambled egg. So soft, so creamy, high in protein, and the best part of it is it's so easy to make. Welcome back to Versus Chef, where we make two versions of the same dish. Now, first up is the English version of the scrambled eggs. The ingredients you'll need for this dish today are some cream, a knob of butter, some salt, and most importantly, high quality free-range eggs. Now, first cracking 2 eggs in a bowl. Next is to add in some cream. I would say about 5 tablespoons of cream. Crack in some salt and give that a good whisk until it is nice and smooth. Next is to start up your pan in a medium to high heat. Then you add in your butter and just let that gently melt. We don't want that butter to burn or brown. Now, next goes in the eggs. Let that sit and start folding it over, as you can see what I'm doing here. Give this about a minute or two, and then after it's been cooked, turn off the heat and continue folding until you have this nice, beautiful texture. The residual heat will still be cooking the eggs, and finally, there you have it, all done. Next is to simply plate up and enjoy. Congratulations, you've made yourself the English scrambled eggs. So fluffy, so creamy, so easy to make, the perfect breakfast dish. Now next up is the creamy French scrambled eggs. Now this one is a little bit more difficult and a lot more time consuming to make, but trust me, it is worth it. So the ingredients here are simple. You need 2 free-range eggs, some salt, and that's it. Now, heat up a pot of water on the lowest possible heat. Crack your eggs in a mixing bowl and whisk the eggs until the yolks mix with the whites. The next step is to cracking some sea salt. Now, the method here is a little bit different. You slow cook it by using the mixing bowl and place it on the pot like a heated bath, as you can see what I'm doing here, similar to a bain-marie. I also use this technique when I make carbonara. Now let that sit and gently cook. Also be sure to give it a good mix. The next step is you have to be patient. You need to be very patient. This can take about 20 minutes in total, so be sure to give it a good mix every couple of minutes. Now once this is done, you should have some nice curds beginning to form up, as you can see what I'm doing here. At this stage, add in a few knobs of butter and give it a good pinch of salt. The next step is to give it again another mix, and then finally you have made it beautiful, creamy, souffle-like eggs. And congratulations, you've made the authentic French scrambled eggs. The next step is to plate up and enjoy. Absolutely delicious, so smooth, so elegant, and worth the wait. So please let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite of how to make the scrambled eggs. Is it the English version scrambled eggs, or is it the French style scrambled eggs? Thanks again for watching. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My channel is still very new, so it really helps me more than you think, and also helps me create more content in the future. If you end up not liking the videos down the track, you could always unsubscribe. Thanks again, and I'll see you all in the next video.